G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, just a few little announcements on the channel, a little bit of a quick update. We're going to be talking about the TANGO 2, finally something I found that I do not like about it, something that I do wish I could change. It is not perfect, and also a huge shout out to, we're going to pick the giveaway winner, which I think there's going to be a link to like Sizemore RC or something like that. It'll also be on the Discord, but congratulations to that guy. Please contact me because, yeah, you've got a free TANGO 2 TBS 2, that's a lot of T's. You've got a TBS TANGO 2 waiting for you, and also I'm going to roll a bit of footage at the end of this video, and it's kind of under NDA, so I can't talk too much about the product, but it was still a lot of fun. You can hear Tony and me carrying on like a bit of a pork chop, just screaming when something's bursting into flames. So first and foremost, let's go. And the other part too, I wanted to do some other videos today, but it's raining right now outside, and the weather this week has been absolutely garbage. We did a little live stream last week in the field, and it's kind of been like that ever since, that was like a week ago, and it has been absolutely zero chance for flying weather. So let's do it. Kick it off. The main part of this video, I've finally found something I don't like about the TBS TANGO 2, and what is it? Well, after, and I mean a lot of hours on this thing, there is only one thing that really bugs me, and that is going to be, and I don't know if other people have spoken about this, the little USB-C in the bottom. Trappy, I don't know if it has to be there by design, but when I'm using this on the sim, this thing has been so nice to fly around on the sim. I've been going back and playing more liftoff, some other DCL, all that sort of stuff, but when I plug this bad boy in, if you like to rest it against you when you're flying, it just, you know, the USB coming out the bottom kind of pokes into you a bit, and then it's got a link back to your computer. That's not really the ideal situation. I would prefer if the USB came out the top or somewhere, even if it came out the side, or maybe not the side actually, because that'd affect pinches, but if it came out the top somewhere where my hands aren't going to be, and it's also not going to be resting against my body. And the only real solution that I can think of is one of those little adapters that's like at the right angles. I think they come with the iFlight ones, or something, when some of those Cine Whoops, where it's really Cine Bees, but it's really hard to get your USB in there. They have like a little L bracket or a little L-shaped adapter. I'm going to need to start to use one of these with this, because I'm loving this radio. I've been finding it pretty much perfect for almost every single one of my uses. Every single time I take it out, I haven't had a fail-safe yet. I've been pushing this thing a fair way. Extremely rock-solid radio, and overall, everything I said in the review still stands, but I didn't pick up on that one little nuance. I don't really like the USB at the bottom. I wish I could just have that out somewhere else, but that's kind of it. So if you're looking at some things to find wrong with this radio, that's about it. Other than that, look, this was just a really short, sharp, sweet little update video. I wanted to say who the winner is, so congratulations to Sizemore RC or whatever it is. Go check that link out. I wish the weather would stop and let up and let us actually get out for a chance to fly. Happy Valentine's Day for everybody out there. And on that, I'll leave you with this special little sneak peek of a video that I don't know if I can actually show you, so hopefully you won't see the product, but it was still a lot of fun. Always laughing times when things burst into flames unexpectedly. But anyway, subscribe for more FPV related content. Enjoy this little sneak peek video, and I will see you soon. And as always, happy flying.
Oh, it's on fire! Is it? It's on fire! Hang on!
Is it?
Hang on!
Oh shit!
I'm going!
Run!
It's on fire! Oh shit!
Oh, the drone! Fuck, what's happening here?
What have you done?
I don't know. Ah!
Pull it apart!
I'm trying. Okay, which bit's on fire?
I have no idea. Something was on fire. Hang on, you ready?
Pull, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go.